Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari 812 versus BMW. We'll explore what makes each brand unique, helping you decide which high-performance vehicle aligns with your desires. The Ferrari 812 is a masterpiece of Italian engineering, known for its incredible V12 engine and breathtaking design. BMW, on the other hand, offers a wide range of performance models, blending luxury with everyday usability and cutting-edge technology. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Ferrari 812 offers an unparalleled raw experience. Its naturally aspirated V12 engine provides instant throttle response and an exhilarating sound. BMW M cars, while incredibly fast, often provide a more refined and adaptable ride, suitable for both spirited driving and comfortable commutes. Ferrari prioritizes a direct connection between driver and road, while BMW focuses on a blend of performance and practicality. Inside, the Ferrari 812 showcases exquisite Italian craftsmanship, with luxurious materials and a driver-centric cockpit. It's built for performance and prestige. BMW interiors are known for their ergonomic design, advanced technology, and high-quality finishes, offering a more practical and feature-rich environment. The Ferrari 812 typically comes with a price tag well over $300,000, reflecting its exclusivity and bespoke nature, while high-performance BMWs are generally more accessible. Ultimately, choosing between a Ferrari 812 and a high-performance BMW depends on your priorities. If you seek the pinnacle of automotive performance, a naturally aspirated V12, and unparalleled exclusivity, the Ferrari 812 is an extraordinary choice. However, if you desire a powerful, luxurious, and versatile vehicle that excels in various driving conditions and offers more everyday practicality, a BMW M model might be a better fit. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.